Bleeding a radiator is simple and helps your heating work efficiently. Here's how to do it in 7 easy steps. Step 1. Preparation. Before you start, make sure you have everything you need. You'll need a radiator key, a bucket to catch water, and a cloth to wipe up any spills. Also make sure the boiler control is turned off. Step 2. Turn off the heating. Switch off the heating system completely. This stops the circulation pump from moving water and air through the system. Open all thermostat valves fully. Step 3. Let the radiators cool down. Wait about 1 hour until all radiators are completely cool. This prevents burns in case hot water or steam escapes during bleeding. Step 4. Insert the radiator key. Locate the bleed valve at the top of the radiator. Place the bucket underneath and hold a cloth behind the valve to protect the wall. Insert the radiator key into the valve. Step 5. Open the valve slowly. Turn the key slowly counterclockwise, about a quarter to half a turn. You will hear a hissing sound as air escapes. Do not open the valve too far to limit water loss. Step 6. Close the valve. When air stops and water begins to flow, close the valve by turning the key clockwise. Do this carefully and do not over-tighten the valve. Step 7. Turn the heating back on. After bleeding all radiators, turn the heating back on. Check the system pressure and top up with water if necessary. Finally, make sure all radiators heat up evenly. Simple cause, simple solution. Follow for more practical home hacks.